Time to get up and go for your walk. Charlotte. Charlotte, let's go for your walk. Charlotte, wake up. It's time to wake up. Let's go for your walk outside. Charlotte. Let's go outside. Charlotte. Come on, wake up. Get up. Let's go wake. It's time to go outside. Let's go potty.
Now she's ready.
Charlotte. Oh. Let's get up.
The head.
Let's go outside.
And give up. You gonna give up?
Charlotte, let's go outside. Let's go potty. Come on. Just picked her up and she just fell right off. She doesn't want to move.